Hi guys, I'm gonna to bring you a new Premiere Pro classes. It will start from zero to end. It will start from basic editing to advanced. So let's start. So first of all, you have to download it. If you don't know how to download it, check the download videos from anywhere. So I'm gonna to start the Premiere Pro. So first of all, you have to open it. Once it will start it, wait for it. So it opened. Now let's do create new project and name it pp1. So it's open. So now we have to import a video or something. This will allow. So this is a clip. We have to drag it here. So this is the place where we will work on video. And in this place, it is the place where we will keep our files to drag here. So, and if you want to understand this whole, so let me tell you, this is menus. You see, these are in the shortcuts some type, and we have to choose from here the advanced method that where we want to do the editing. So we mostly use this one. The other one I will tell you in advanced video editing. So first of all, we have to start from here, video editing, and we will drag like this here. So now we can work here on this video. So how we will work on this video? So these are the things where we will like 90% of our work. So how we can work here? So I will tell you this. First of all, these are the things we have to notice. So this is the play button, this is backward, this is forward, as it show in the below. Go to shift plus I. So these are the shortcuts for this, and this is play, which you can do by simply press space. It is showing you the pop-ups when you press anywhere. So first of all, let me do this one editing. So I have to start, and these are the seconds, that 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If I zoom out it I will do this. If I will zoom in, like I will do this, see, this is 5 frame now, and if I do like this, it's 15 frame now, and if I will do like this, it is 4 second now, and if I do like this, it is more than 1.4 minutes. We normally do editing in seconds: 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second, 6 7 seconds. So let's do. So this is the things. So what we do, if you want to cut it, we will use eraser tool. This one is eraser tool. So this is, if we want to make selection, so we have to move, we have to choose this arrow button. So we can like this, can move it from anywhere. So we can do like this, and like this. So this is the lecture 1. See you in next lecture. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share the video.